we're gonna work with finger 1 and 2 on the bottom string, string G. And what you're gonna do here with this finger is, with this hand, is finger 1 on the first fret. So these are called frets. You should know that by now, I suppose. These are the strings. So first finger on the first string on the first fret here, and then you press, and then you pluck. What you can do is you pluck 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're also practicing this hand. And then what you do is you put your second finger on the second fret, but staying on the same string. And then you do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4 here with your right hand. And then the same thing on the third fret with your third finger. Right? And then your fourth finger on the fourth fret, still on the first string. So what you get in the end is 1, 2, 3, 4. Change fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you do it. And then you go the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finger off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finger off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finger off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, obviously, as a beginner, you don't have much strength in your hand, and this is exactly what you're developing. So you have to be patient with yourself and realize that this is what you are developing. Is your strength, is your technique, is being able to stretch your fingers nicely. So give yourself the time. And a trick, not a trick, it's just what it is. When you're playing a note, you don't want to play the note here because it's much harder to press. You want to press closer to the fret. This metal piece is the fret, so you want to press close to it, like that. You're not doing this. See the buzz? If you do the same, you'll get probably the same sound. You don't want that. You want it clear. Same thing there. Third finger, fourth finger. Okay, so that's what you do to start to work this hand. And then you do the same on the next string. Same principle. Once you start to be comfortable with this hand and here, instead of playing 4 times, what you can do is just play 2. Or 1 time each note. And you're playing jazz. Kind of. And then next string. Same thing. First 4 times, remember. You might find that to reach certain notes you can't just keep you're not yet able to keep all the fingers on the strings like I'm doing. So what you do is you kind of move along as you need. Got it? After you do on the third string, you go to the fourth string. And that's the exercise to start getting some technique developed on your fingers from your left hand. See, very, very detailed explanation there. After that, once you are comfortable with this kind of movement and you've developed some strength, what you're going to do is you're going to play a scale. And this is going to incorporate techniques from your left hand and your right hand.